Come on.
Santa brought the flu for me. Well, he didn't bring the flu, but I think it's definitely Rudolph. Yeah, I was kind of talking to him last night. Well, Santa was doing the round. He definitely had a bit of a scuffle this morning, so after getting plenty of coffee this morning, I'll be all
No, hang on a second. No, look at your picture on the front. I can pick, look, Mia, that's yours. Look where your picture is, Mia. No, that's Ava's. Come on, Ella, go over to your side where your picture is. That's yours there in the middle of the car. In the middle. See, share everything. Yeah.
Where's mine? Where's mine? Hey, Kat, this is our place. We played that together.
Girls, look what's there.
How did Sandy get down that chimney?
I'd say come in the sitting room on Cara and come over here because the tree must have been on here.
Oh my God.
What do you think, girls?
I don't believe it. Here, look. Here, look. Potato. Ava. Where did Ava that dinosaurs?
Oh, I'd say they're just for everybody to play with, Cara. I'd say he just left them there.
Oh, we didn't want dinosaurs.
Oh, it's a Lego. Look, and girls, look what's over here.
Oh. Oh. Hey, Kat, look at me in that dress, look. Look. Wow. Another piece.
Me, that's for the baby. Look at yours, Mia.
Hey.
Oh, look who's coming.
Eva, look at her presents. I like him.
Hi, Eva.
Look at Daddy, Ella. Look at Daddy. I knew those. Happy smile. Let me open this.
Now, girls, Mia, look into the camera. Are you happy? Are you happy?
I
Ella?
knew Santi bought me makeup.
Oh my God.
I knew he got me makeup as well. Where is it?
No, you got the same feet. That's a great man.
How are you? That's a new one.
Ella,
Eva.
I'll open it, Cara.
I cannot mind. Daddy, look at Eva. Look at
Pickle.
Acapaka.
That's
Acapaka.
Mia, where's Eagle Piggle?
We do have
Bring him over here, let me see him.
Can you open mine, please? Okay. We got me. Look, you can play with your
Mia, what's that?
Ella, that's your
Mia, what's that?
Will I put them on you? Yeah.
Mine are little sore lip.
No, don't go in her face, Cara.
Just putting it on the bottom.
On her cheeks, not on her. Yeah, just pretend. Ella.
Mom, I can't open this alone. Little one. That isn't me.
I'll say Anna just asked texting just up.
Little one.
Question mark.
Little one.
Huh?
Anna texted me
How
up.
we open
Oh, yeah.
On her file.
Yeah, just up.
Where it go? May I not watch? May I not put iron on top?